know the Itsy Bitsy spider song? Can you do it with me? I don't have any fingers, but maybe you can do the finger gestures for me. Come on, let's sing along. Ready? The itsy bitsy spider crawled up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. Then the itsy bitsy spider crawled out the spout again. Wow, good job! Hi, my name's Ida, and I'm going to show you how to make an itsy bitsy spider fridge magnet. Here are the materials you're going to need. In the pack you'll be given, you'll have some thick paper, felt, a magnet, double-sided sticky tape, jiggly eyes, some PVA craft glue, a plate and a pop stick. At home, you'll need a marker, pair of scissors, and it's optional, but some masking tape, a spoon and an old paintbrush might also come in handy. So, let's begin by drawing the head with one small circle and then the body of our itsy bitsy spider with one bigger circle. Now for this next part, I'm going to show you the easiest way to draw the itsy bitsy spider's legs. But you can get more creative with it if you like. So I started with a rectangle shape and drew straight lines inside of it until I had 8 skinny rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. You can also do little fangs and a mouth. Once you finish drawing, you can start cutting around the lines to make little felt shapes. So we want the itsy bitsy spider to have a strong, solid body. We don't want it to be all floppy and flimsy. What we need is a thick piece of paper to create the backing. Here we go. First, you need to find out how big the paper backing needs to be for the leg. Hold one felt spider leg against the paper and trace around it like a template. Now you can cut out 8 of these spider legs in all around the same size. Don't worry, they don't have to be perfect. Trace the head and the body onto the piece of paper. Cut around these shapes too. Okay, so now that we have all of these shapes, let's glue them together. Take your little bag of PVA glue and snip the bag with glue in it and squeeze it straight onto the plate. I don't need to do that because I've got a bottle of glue at home. You can use a pop stick or a spoon as a glue applicator, but I'm going to use this old paintbrush. Glue the itsy bitsy spider's paper legs onto its body. And don't forget to stick on the head. Now it's time to stick the felt shapes on. You know, the good thing about this is you can use as much glue as you want. And like I said, guys, feel free to get creative. Draw on Itsy Bitsy Spider too if you feel like it. Alright, we're nearly there. It's time to stick on the eyeballs. Peel off the side of the double-sided sticky tape. Hang in there. This does take a bit of patience. Phew! All done! Now use the double-sided sticky tape to attach the magnet, and there you go. You're finished.